Welcome to Tutorials by DeMichael Group. In this video, we'll be showing you how to create your first project. In the middle section, you will see a list of created projects. To create a new project, you can click on File, New, or you can click on the last line. Project details can be filled out on the right-hand side. Make sure you have the correct vendor selected at the top right-hand corner. If you need to change the vendor, click on the drop-down and choose the appropriate vendor. Note you will not be able to change the vendor once you create a frame in the project. The only way to change the vendor is to do an alternate bid. Project details is separated into 3 sections. General project information, like project name, bid date, and architect. Sold to information, like the owner of the project. Ship to information. This will probably be information about the project. When finished, you can open the project with the folder button at the very top, hitting File and Open, or clicking the Create Project button at the bottom. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please call our support line at 480-985-4926.